how to make fondant pearls or bead necklace. So for this project, you're going to be needing some materials, which are fondant, icing sugar, rolling pin, circle cutters, fishing wire, your scissors, and pearl lustre dust. So let's get started on with this session. So the first thing you will want to do is you have to roll out your fondant to your desired thickness, just as you can see me doing. Then after that, you using your circle cutters of different sizes, you cut out circles of the different sizes of the cutters you have, just the way you see me cutting out circles. And you can see I'm alternating between the different sizes of cutters I'm using, the big size, the medium size, and the small size. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut all that now. Alright, I'm done doing that. So the next thing to do is to take a piece and roll it into a ball between your palms. Now you know we used different cutters for this purpose, so the sizes are going to vary based on the size of the cutter that was used to cut out the circles. So I'm done with that now. You can see the sizes close to the cutters I used. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some of my pearl dust into a container. Then I'm gonna pick up some of the balls and turn them into the container, then seal up the top of the container and toss it. This process, I'm trying to ensure that the lustre dust fully covers my pearl, and as you can see, it's all done. Just because of the lightning, you might not be able to see the shimmer I got from using lustre dust on the fondant, but this is what you have to do when you want to do yours. So I'm just going to go ahead now and add in all the balls in my lustre dust in the container and toss it till I'm done with each and every one of them. Okay, so I'm tossing this now. And yeah, I'm finally done. Hope you can see that. I guess you might not be able to see it so clearly because of the lightning, but that's not a problem. On to the next stage now. So I pick up my fishing wire and I take out a length that I'll be using to pass through my fondant pearl pieces that I have made. So now I'm going to pick up this ball. Now remember, I did this in varied sizes. I did like to have the bigger sized balls in the center, then have the other sizes at the end. So I'm actually just starting up with having the smallest size going in now. So you see me, I'm going to keep on passing all my balls through the fishing wire till I have it all stringed up. So that's it. Oh, as you can see, I am almost done. So finalizing that, passing the small side ball at the other end. Looking at the bead, you can see that the sizes vary from the center to the you can see the sizes are bigger compared to the other side. So I'm done. So the next thing is I'm going to roll this on my board, and the essence of doing this is for uniformity's sake. Doing while passing my fishing wire, there my fingers caused some dent on them, but doing this make them look so uniform, as you can all see. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to tie a fishing wire. So I'm done tying it now. Tie it properly because I won't want that to lose out. And then I pick up my scissors and snap up the excess. And here we go. We have our pearl beads. How do they look? Gorgeous. This is the cake I actually had the beads on. You can see how beautiful this cake looks and how amazing it is with the bead. Thanks for watching. So do subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscription button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on more great content to come. Do have a lovely day, guys.